As we celebrate the magical Christmas season, I want to discuss a serious threat to our privacy and constitutional rights. Santa Claus has once again launched a pervasive, unlawful, warrantless surveillance program. I am, of course, talking about that public menace, the elf on a shelf. Though often thought of as a holiday tradition, the reality is that the Elf on a Shelf program was only launched in 2005. See, Santa Claus launched this program soon after the passage of the Patriot Act, when American citizens were getting used to giving up their constitutional rights and privacy rights in the name of national security. But just as many sections of the Patriot Act have since been rescinded for abuses, so too is it time to fight back against the Elf on a Shelf program. Now, there's no question that Santa Claus has a legitimate interest in knowing who is naughty and who is nice. But school disciplinary records and parent recommendations have worked for hundreds of years. He doesn't need a surveillance program. He needs to go back to the traditional method of making a list and checking it twice. It's hard enough being a kid these days. You work hard for 11 months out of the year to be good. And then right at the end, a sneaky little elf goes into your house and watches your every move, just looking for any excuse to trade in all of your presents for a lump of coal. It's just not fair, and it's time to assert your rights. So tell that elf, no, we don't consent to your activities. You don't have permission to enter our house. Leave immediately, or you'll be arrested and charged with trespassing and unlawful surveillance. And be sure to remind him that your refusal to consent to this surveillance cannot constitutionally be held against you as evidence of naughtiness. From the entire team at Parlatore Law Group, we would like to wish you a merry and lawful Christmas.